Francis. Okay? Now, if you're sitting down, I want you to stand up and join me as we sing 1, 2, buckle my shoe from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Okay. Now, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Hope you enjoyed that song. Now, today we'll be looking at a topic in mathematics, which is subtraction of numbers using the number line. Subtraction of numbers using the number line. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove from something. Subtraction means to minus. For example, if you have like 6 minus 2, you pick the first number, which is 6, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, you take away 2 from 6, minus 2 from 6, remove 2 from 6. Now, you do it this way. 1, 2. Now, you count your answer. What are you left with? You count it this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, 6 minus 2 will give us what? 4. This is the normal subtraction you are all familiar with, isn't it? Now, today we'll be looking at subtraction using the number line. Okay? As the name implies, we are going to be using a line with numbers to subtract these numbers, number 1, 2, and 3. Now, this is how we form the line. You pick your ruler, you place it on the line. Let it be straight, okay? You place it on the line, pick your pencil, you start from this other line to the last line, okay? We formed our line. Now you're going to start with 0, okay? Beneath your line, you have your 0, and make sure you leave a very good equal spacing between numbers, okay? Now we have 0, the next number will be 1, the next one will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hope you are following. We have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. For the purpose of this class, we'll be stopping at 20. Okay, we can have as much numbers as we can, but for the purpose of this class, we'll be stopping at 20. Now, we are subtracting 2 from 5. Okay? Now, you pick the first number, which is 5. You draw your line from 0, which is the beginning. You draw it gently to 5. And then you put your star there, indicating you are stopping here. Okay? You remember when we were doing the addition, we did something like this also. Okay? But in subtraction, we are not adding forward. Okay? We are subtracting, or we are removing. We are moving backwards, sorry. We are moving backwards. Okay? So now we have our 5. We are subtracting what? We are subtracting 2. Now you start from 5. Mind you, don't start from 6. If you start from 6, you will have a wrong answer, okay? So you start from where your star is. Okay? So we have from 5, you minus. Make sure it's touching the next number. If you leave it here, you will have a very wrong answer. So you make sure you are touching the next line. So we start from 5, you go this way, 1, and then 2. Put it in a box so that you won't forget. Okay? So 5 minus 2 will give us what? 3. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. You come over here and write your 3. Okay? Is it hard? It's not hard. Maybe by the time we finish with the next one, you'll get it better. Okay? Now the next one is 11 minus 6. We'll form our line again. Okay? You pick your ruler. Let's look at the second example. Okay? We have 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. Now remember, you pick the first number, which is 11. You draw your line from 0 to 11. Okay? When you're drawing your line, be careful. Now we draw it down to 11. Remember to put your star, indicating you are stopping here to subtract the next number. Now we are subtracting 6 from 11. Now, you pick the next number, which is 6. You subtract it backwards. Okay? You move it backward from 11. Remember, it must touch a number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Now, our answer is 5. Make sure you put it in a box so that you won't forget it, okay? Now, 11 minus 6 will give us what? 5. It will give us what? 5. Now, you pick your answer and write it in this box. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. Now, let's pick the last example, which is 20 minus 6. 20 minus 8. Okay? You pick the first number, which is 20 again. You draw your line from 0 to 20. Now let's go. From 0 to... Be careful. Now here we are 20. Put your star here, indicating you are stopping here, okay? Now pick the next number, which is 8, and subtract it from 20. Now you move it backwards, like this. 1, make sure it's touching a number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Our answer is 12. Put it in a box, remember? Okay? Now, 20 minus 8 will give us what? 12. 20 minus 8 will give us what? 12. Pick your number and write it in this box. That's all for today, but before we go, I have an activity for you. Subtract the following numbers using number line. Okay? Now we have 15 minus 10. I've already shown you how to draw the line. You draw your line, space your numbers, and then you subtract 10 from 15. Then you do same for 10 minus 9. Hope you had a great time with me. Thank you very much.